Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nur Shafika binti Kamal Azmansyah. Today I want to present about power plant engineer. For power plant engineer, we have many power plant engineers, but I choose only four. For hydroelectric power plants, one of the most effective and eco-friendly of all power plants. Hydroelectric power plants generate power using the force of water to turn generators. Mechanical engineers are in charge of calculating flow rates or other volumetric calculations necessary to return the generators at the electrical engineer's specifications. The engineering knowledge required to assess the performance of pump storage hydroelectric power plant is very similar to that of the impoundment and diversion power plants. Next, we have thermal power plant. A power plant with steam in use to drive a steam turbine. This turbine is connected to an electrical generator. After this, the water is condensed and may be used again. This is known as the Rankine cycle. There are different procedures that can be used to heat the water. Next, we have solar power plants. Solar power plants derive their energy from sunlight, which is made accessible via photovoltaic panels or solar panels are constructed using photovoltaic cells, which are made of silica material that releases electrons when they are warmed by the thermal energy of the sun. And we have power plants. Energy engineers who focus on hardware design turbines, rotor blades, electrical systems, and energy production system. They analyze the aerodynamic properties of new designs, run tests, and document test results. Some oversee the manufacturing and testing of components. And for the salary of power plant engineer, most common salary is about 3,400, and the average salary is about 4,000. Next, ways on how to be power plants engineer. To work in this profession, mechanical and electrical engineer require a bachelor's degree in engineering and passing both of the professional engineering exam and fundamental engineering exam. The mechanical engineers have additional rules that are needed to be considered based on their career. Electrical engineers work with electrical application while making sure electronic instruments and applications are working in company and state level satisfaction. And the most important is field experience before getting an entry level position, because when we want to get the job, they may see our experience first. So we need the experience first before getting entry level position. Next is when working in thermal power plants, mechanical engineers make sure heavy machinery like boiler and turbines are working in optimal condition and power is continually generated. Mechanical engineers also work with the cooperation of the plant and the necessary skill required and responsibilities. Problem solving. A large of an engineer's job is assessing a situation, identifying problems, and then find a solution. Computer science. You must use a computer to carry out your task effectively. Skills such as programming are invaluable in a variety of engineering jobs. Utilize computer modeling programs to deliver simulation for structural design and test the load capacity before final finalization of product blueprint. Third is teamwork. Teamwork skills are essential for ensuring you can cooperate with teammates to success as a unit and perform to your highest combined ability. Next is creativity. You need to always have a creativity mind to solve the problems. We need because when we have some projects, we have to use our creative mind to make the projects more interest more interesting. Five is structural analysis. The skill determining the strain that would be placed on a structure or machine under current design and assessing the ability to withstand those strains. Next is communication. You will you will often need to discuss plans or design with others. The ability to clearly communicate is essential to collaborative work. It's like meet meet weekly with executive and department manager to discuss status of all ongoing engineering project. We have we have to explain to others about our project and make them understand what we want to deliver, what we want to explain to them. Next is attention to detail. An individual must have strong attention to detail. Small errors in the drafting or execution of technical plans can result in financial losses and potentially dangerous situations. Data modeling. It's important that all modeling or interpolation from models are performed correctly to avoid costly spending on ineffective productions. And the last one is leadership. An engineer is often placed in a position of leadership, even when not formally in a management position or tasked with working with other departments to execute plans. The current issues on ethics or future of the profession. Issues that arise during the design of technological products, processing system and service. This includes issues such as safety, sustainability, user autonomy, and privacy. Ethical concern with respect to technology has often focused on the user face. Next is professional, respecting others and ourselves. respecting the right of others, keeping promise what the plan we have, don't tell others what we plan to do, avoiding unnecessary problem to others, and avoid cheating and dishonest. I think that's all from me. I hope you all understand what I want to share with you all. Thank you so much.